Did you know the world's first alarm clock was owned by a queen? Intrigued? Let's dive in. In ancient Greece, Queen Cleopatra had a clever way of waking up on time. She used a water clock that would slowly fill up overnight and trigger a mechanical bird to chirp at sunrise. This ingenious device combined simple mechanics and nature, ensuring the queen started her day early and never missed important events. Imagine the queen waking up to the gentle chirping of a bird, a far cry from our noisy alarm clocks today. Cleopatra's alarm clock is a testament to human ingenuity and the timeless desire to manage time effectively. Next time your alarm rings, remember the queen who set the trend centuries ago. Isn't history fascinating?